In this video, I'm going to share with you how extended stay hotel works. You ready? Let's go. Welcome, I'm Malachi Simmons Jr. and this is Hotel Soldier, with a mission to provide you all things hotel to your front lines. On this channel, I give you the 3 I's, which is information, instructions, and interviews. Information on all things in the hotel industry, instructions on various tasks in the hotel industry, and interviews with individuals associated with the hotel industry. Now, if you're new to Hotel Soldier and you want to see this video and other videos like this video, hit on the red subscribe button at the bottom, along with the notification bell for Hotel Soldier. Now, extended stay hotels differ from your average hotel. One difference in your extended stay hotels is your guests may stay for long terms or extensive period of time. Some guests may stay for months, some guests may stay for years. I personally know a guest who's been in the same room at the same property for over 10 years. Now, another difference is the layout. Now, most extended stay hotels, the rooms are laid out like studio rooms, basically a kitchenette, a bed, and a bathroom. Another difference is the housekeeping. Housekeeping is not done every day. It's not a daily task. Housekeeping is scheduled a certain day after the guest checks in. This might be once a week or maybe every other week. Now, housekeeping is always done when the guest checks out. Now, a guest may pay an additional fee at most extended stays that have the housekeeper service done on a non-scheduled day or either earlier than the day is scheduled. Now, this all depends on the initial payment or the initial hotel package that the guest purchased during booking. Now, another difference is the rates. Now, the rates can be daily rates, weekly rates, or monthly rates. Now, any single stay that's over a month is not taxed because any single stay over a month is considered rent, and rent cannot be taxed. Now, most extended stays have amenities like any other average hotel, such as pools and gyms and meeting rooms and fitness spaces and convenience stores and guest laundry. So let's take a look at some extended stay hotels. Now, I'm outside an extended stay hotel. Now, this particular hotel is an interior property hotel. That means the rooms are on the inside of the building. It makes the building more secure for the guests during their stay. Now, extended stay properties do have certain amenities. Some may have amenities such as a pool or meeting rooms or business centers or gyms. Now, this particular property has a guest laundry for guests who stay for long, extensive periods of time. So let's go take a look at one of the rooms. Let's go. So I'm here inside the room of this extended stay property. Now, I'm gonna start with the kitchen first. I'm gonna point out the items inside the kitchen of this extended stay property. We got a wastebasket on the side, bottom cabinets, stovetop, 2 burners, one small, one big one, the on and off knobs, cutting boards. Even though if you need any other dishes that you may need, plates or silverware, you just go downstairs to the front desk and they'll hand it to you. Also a microwave, upper cabinet, sink, full-size refrigerator. Let's check out the rest of the room. Now, I'm here where the bed is located inside the room. Now, the bed is the center point or the focus point of the room, but it's probably the most simplest part of the room. Now, this bed in this particular room is a queen size bed. 2 pillows, sheets, blankets, comforter, simple stuff. Also, you got a nightstand on the other side that put in your personal items. Also a clock, set the time, know what time it is, make sure you get any important meetings be where you gotta be at a certain time. Also in this particular room, there's also a TV facing the bed and also a working desk. Let's take a look at it. So in this particular area, I got a flat screen TV. Also a remote for the TV. Because you know that every guest must have a remote. Also a 3-drawer chest. So you can store any personal items. Also a working table. Chair. Also a telephone. Telephone so you can contact the front desk and any individual on the outside. Also in this particular room, there's a cork board. This is post any particular items. Now, not every single extended stay have a cork board inside the room, but this particular room has one. Nice. So let's take a look at the area where you want to hang your clothing up or store your personal items or luggage at. In this area, I have another chair. Also, some hangers to hang up any personal items or clothing. Also, an ironing board, an iron, and also a laundry basket. Now, not all extended stays will have a laundry basket inside the room. Now, this particular brand and property does have a laundry basket inside the room. And not all extended stays will have an iron board and also iron inside the room. You may have to go down to the front desk and sign one out and have it assigned to that particular room so they know what those particular items are at. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So in the bathroom, I got a sink, some electrical outlets, a mirror over the sink, towel rack, toilet, bathtub, along with a shower. Nice little setup. Let's take a look at another extended stay hotel. So I'm here at another extended stay hotel. Now this hotel is a little different from the last hotel that we stayed at. And this hotel is an exterior property hotel. That means the rooms are on the outside of the building. The last hotel we stayed at was an interior property, meaning that the rooms were on the inside of the building are more secure. Now, you have a hotel with the rooms on the outside, it's more convenient for travelers. Basically, you take the car or the vehicle, they drive up to the door, get out the vehicle, grab your luggage, walk straight into the room. When they're done, they can walk straight out the room and right into the vehicle. They can go and do whatever they want to do. Now, also, this hotel is a little different from the last one. The last one, we did have a guest laundry. This one, we have a guest laundry plus we have a little small grab-and-go breakfast in the morning. Granola bars, muffins, some coffee, simple stuff. Okay, so let's go take a look at one of the rooms. Let's go. So I'm here inside the kitchen area of this extended stay hotel room. Most extended stays do offer some type of dishes or silverware to go along with your meals. They may be inside the room, or you may have to go down to the front desk to pick them up. So inside this room, we have stovetop, cabinets, microwave, sink, full-size refrigerator. Let's take a look at the bed. Now, just like the other room, the bed is probably the most simplest part of the whole entire room, but it's also the focus point when you walk into the door. Now, this particular bed is a queen-size bed. Also in this area, we have a nightstand, a telephone, alarm clock. And unlike the other room, inside this particular room, we also have a sitting area with a couch and a coffee table right over here. Now here's the sitting area of this extended stay hotel room. Now keep in mind, not all extended stay will have a sitting area inside the rooms. Now in order to figure this out, either you're gonna go to the hotel's website, or you're gonna go to an online travel agency website, or either call the hotel and ask them, do you have rooms with sitting areas inside the rooms? Now in this particular sitting area, we have a couch, a little two-seater, also coffee table, and it faces the TV, which is right over here. So we do have a flat screen TV, also a remote, because you know that every guest must have a remote. Also drawers, so you can put your personal items in. Also in this room, we also have a closet area, so you can store your personal items and also any luggage if you have it. So here's the closet area. Now, In the other extended stay hotel room, in the closet area, we had a chair, an iron board, hangers, and also a laundry basket. Now, in this particular room, we have an ironing board and also an iron and also hangers. Now, not all extended stay hotels will have an extra chair and also a laundry basket. The chair in that other hotel was by the design of the hotel, and also laundry basket was by the brand standard of that particular hotel. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So here's the bathroom. So we have a bathtub, also with a shower, towel rack, toilet, sink, and also a mirror. Similar to the other bathroom at the other extended stay hotel. Nice little setup. So those are some looks at some extended stay hotels. Now, your extended stay hotels differ from your average hotel in length of stay, layout, housekeeping, and rate. Now make sure to click the like button and leave a comment. And if you want to see this video and other videos like this video, click on the red subscribe button along with the notification bell for Hotel Soldier, with a mission to value all things hotel to your front lines.